See, now we are going to start the 7.3 exercise. This is a special exercise. From this exercise, 4 marks question will come in the board exam. Find the area of triangle. On the basis of this formula, one question will come as 4 marks. Clear to you? I will try to explain this how to find the area of a given triangle without using the graph paper. See, coordinates are, vertices are given here. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices, see here, find the area of the triangle whose vertices given clear 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 2 comma 4. Okay, see, I made the triangle and I given a b c and 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 2 comma minus 4. Clear to you? I taken as a coordinates as x1 y1 and b is x2 y2, c is x3 y3. This is a new formula I am going to introduce to you, how to find the area of a given triangle. Vertices will be given to you. Clear to you? And here the formula I am reading you carefully to remember and practice well. Here no need the derivation of this derivation is not necessary. So area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2. There is a big line is there, we called as mod, because always area of triangle must be positive. To tell the positive, we are taking mod. Anything between mod negative will come, afterwards at last we are going to make it positive. All minus will come, make into positive. That is the use of this mod. 1 upon 2 mod x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y2 minus y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So I maintain two colors here. See, it represent you different orders. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So x1 x2 x3. Then you see in order 1 2 3 in the first x1 y2 y3 1 2 3 and plus x2 y3 y1, see 2 3 1. X1 y2 y3 1 2 3 order plus x2 y3 minus y1 2 3 1. 1 2 3, right? Start with 1 and start with 2 for the second, start with 3 for the third part. Here 3 parts are there. X1 of y2 minus y3, this is the first part, plus x2 of y3 minus 1 second part, plus x3 y1 minus y2 third part. To remember the formula, I am giving a technique to you. First we can write x1 plus x2 plus x3 in brackets, all y we will write, make it minus, and order maintain 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. I think you get an idea. So this is the formula. Now we are simply substituting the given vertices here. Instead of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, we are substituting the vertices of the coordinates. See, 1 upon 2 2 bracket 0 minus of minus 4, because y2 is 0, y3 is minus 4. So bracket also I maintain because of the minus. So next x2 is minus 1. So in bracket y3 minus y1, that is minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 is 2 3 comma minus 0 is y1 minus y2. By simplification we are getting equal to mod 2 into minus plus 4 becomes 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 7 minus 3 minus 4 both are adding, so minus 7 plus 2 into 3. So here 2 4 is 8 plus minus into minus plus 7 plus 6. So we are getting off into 21. Already we got all positive, so we can remove the mod from here. 1 upon 2 into 21. So 21 upon 2, that is 10.5. Again I am writing here square unit because this is related to the graph sum, but we are not doing on the graph, but units will be square units only. So here two questions are there. One I cleared you. Same as this you are going to practice the second question. You will be get the answer. Otherwise you can ask me also. See here question number 2. One more question is there here, question number 2 in the textbook of exercise 7.3. Here in exercise 7.1, if you go back, that is question number 2. Exercise 7.2 question number 2, that is collinear question is there. Exercise 7.1, you can observe that there is a collinear. At the time also I need to say, but I didn't clear the area of triangle formula to you, so I given another method to you. So A, B, C points are there. If B lies between A and C, so AB plus BC equal to AC, I told you. But it is little bit longer, and here we can use the triangle formula also to show given points are collinear. I think everybody know what is the meaning of collinear. If a given points are on the same line, then the given points are called collinear. I mean, if given points are on the same line, those points are called collinear points. So in the question they are telling to you, in the question clearly telling you given points are collinear. I mean all points are on the same line. If three points are on the same line, never made a triangle. If triangle is not there, means area of triangle equal to 0. So indirectly, if three points are collinear, the area of triangle must be 0. Made by that vertices, area of triangle must be 0. You remember this important point here. Whenever points are collinear, you can take area of triangle equal to 0. On the basis of only I am continuing this. So I am using here area of triangle formula, that is half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. I am going to substitute value of x1, y1, y2 and x2, x3 values in the given formula of that one. So here I am taking instead of area of triangle 0. This is important because given points are collinear. So I am taking area of triangle is 0. So 0 equal to, by substitution, and we are getting, after open the bracket, 7 into 1 7, 7 into minus k minus 7k plus 5 into k 5k minus of minus 2 plus 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 10. Here 3 2s are minus 6 and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, or you can do at once also. So by arrangement of the same thing, I mean kk, here minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k and 7 plus 10 minus 6 minus 3 is plus 8. So here I told you, if you are getting a whole negative value, it becomes to positive. I mean here combination is there. So minus 2k comes to this side, plus 2k equal to 8. K equal to multiplication becomes to divide 8 upon 2 is 4. Clear to you? Like this we can find the value of k. It is also very important point. Many times came in the board exam. Clear to you? Then see, one more sum is there here. This very important sum. Many times came for the 4 marks. So here nothing is there. One triangle is given, and you see here one triangle is given. In this triangle, you just find the area of the triangle for the given vertices. Already I explained how to find, and here A, B, C vertices are given, and we are taken x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We are substituted first part. Triangle ABC, I taken as the vertices ABC, and these are substituted in the formula of area of triangle ABC equal to 1 upon 2 mod x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. After substituting simplification, you are getting the area of ABC equal to 4 square units. Clear to you? But we want to find the ratio of the triangle made by the midpoints of these line segments. Clear to you? So here one more triangle is going to find. I am shaded it here. This triangle is the vertices of this triangle are the midpoints of the given line segments. Okay, so bigger triangle AB midpoint is, you see AB midpoint is EF, and BC midpoint is D, and AC midpoint is E. So clearly individually I find out area of triangle. Clear to you? And F is the midpoint of AB. So I find out according to the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is F equal to 1 comma 0. And same as similarly point D, midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So D equal to, again substituting the mid formula only. So we are getting E value is 0 comma 1. Clear to you? D is here. As well as E also. E is the midpoint of AC. Clear to you? That is E equal to 0 comma 1. So first one, F is the midpoint of AB. By using the formula, you are getting 1 comma 0, and D you are getting 1 comma 2, E you are getting 0 comma 1. I mean E, F, D are the midpoints of the respective sides. We are using only midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. After getting the vertices, again we are going to back to use the area formula, the area of triangle. See here DEF. Next part I given to here DEF. So area of triangle DEF equal to, again the formula of into mod x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So equal to, we are substituting the vertices of the midpoints here given D, E, F. So you are getting here half into 2. So 2 to cancel, you are getting 1 square unit. So what is the question here? You are going to find the ratio of the bigger triangle to the triangle formed by their midpoints. So that is, the triangle made by the midpoints is 1 square unit. Bigger triangle is 4 units. So written here you see area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle DEF, that is 4:1. So next question is, you are going to find the area of the quadrilateral. So always, you know, if you join the diagonals, the quadrilateral divided into two parts. So two parts means two triangles are going to form. Again you are going to the question number 4 by using the triangle formula individual. Triangle number 1, triangle number 2. By adding these two, you will be get the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, thank you very much.